One eternity later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madhani Karaoke. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Karibu sana. If you're a new subscriber, kindly hit the subscribe button. This is a page where we have a lot of fun and we cook a lot and we travel a lot like today. Today we're just going to have fun. Me, my sister, say hi.
Hi.
And my best friend, who we are actually waiting for. So we don't really have a plan, but we just want to go have fun, maybe swim a bit and see how the day takes us. So let's go. Could you Indian upstairs instead? Yeah, you can come. Ingia. Nililia basi. Upande, panda. Pass your sauce. It's just on. Thank you. Salt. Wow, I'm glad. I have caught you. Yeah.
Nikimaliza chakula kutoka tuende ninaweza swim kidogo.
Bado ni mapema. Mpaka utosheke. Umefikiria after food utaacha?
Ngofikiria after tumekula na tunaenda.
Hapana. Si tumefikiria hata hiyo 500 hatuja utilize bado. Umeswim 100. Hey, for one. Panda tu, panda tena. Songa mbele, songa. Songa tena.
2 hours later.
So we're done, guys, for the day. It was such a good day. Hellos. Hi guys. I know I look a bit rough, nakaa funny, but nimeshika tu nywele nyuma. I'm currently in the middle of doing a recipe which you'll probably see or probably have seen by the time I've posted this video. It's on my Instagram, niteka nini. The name here, you go check it out. I am in the process of making, I'm in the process of making, what are they called? They're called noodle cutlets. Let me show you. So here they are. I'm in the process of making them. If you are curious about the recipe, angalia tu Instagram yangu, you'll see it. Aki, don't mind the setup. I had to use this brush to hold on to this. It's just a whole thing going on. This is my car setup, my car, whatever is going on. So yeah. Okay, sasa nimemaliza. I'm halfway. I'm not yet done with the recipe. Akipole. I'm not yet done with the recipe. I'm just waiting for the oil to get hot, and then I'll dip my whatevers. Aki, you guys, kama unataka like the whole recipe, I'll show you guys venye inaisha, but the recipe you'll have to go to Instagram to see it. So let me show you how how halfway done we are. Here they are. Ziko halfway done. I'm just here seated waiting for this oil to get hot. Ndio nizi shallow fry. Yeah. So this is how it's going. We are just shallow frying them. Haraka. I'm that type of person who prefers shallow frying more than deep frying. I feel like inanyonyanga oil mingi once you deep fry, so I just prefer shallow frying. Pole tu ive tu pole pole. Sasa wacha nimalize and then I'll show you guys the outcome. So batch ya kwanza imetoka. The first batch is, okay, let me first drink water, I'm really thirsty. So batch ya kwanza imetoka, so I just want to put the second batch in. Napunguza moto. I want to put the second batch in, and some potatoes zenye nilikata earlier. I cut some potatoes earlier. Then zikakuwa excess, so I made them as chips. So that's what I'm going to do. Niziweke pamoja na hizi zenye zime remain. So hii ndio situation. Batch ya kwanza imetoka. Ya pili ndio hii. So I just want to add the second batch to the fire. Nataka kuweka tu ya pili. Hapo juu pia kutakuwa na space imebaki. That's when I'm going to throw in some potatoes to save hii nini, plus hatuwezi tupa hizo waru. So tutazishallow fry tu zote nini. Hey, my loves. So I'm just seated here. I'm actually editing, as you can see, and I realized I don't have an outro. So here we go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I nawashukuru sana for even sticking around hata kama I am not consistent on YouTube. A lot has been going on in terms of my content. There's just been a lot, but I promise from now onwards I have content for you guys posted every week or even every other week, like at 2 times in a week. So thank you so much for joining. Subscribe kama hauja subscribe, like, comment and share. Nawapenda sana. Mwah.